also spoke, then Honorable Chief Minister also spoke. Sir, emotionally charged students of all the three regions had agitated. Sir, there are two sects of people. One are agitators, one are peace-loving people. Chief Minister also spoke about, Home Minister also spoke about the agitating group. What about the peace-loving people of the state? I would like to know from the government, cases have been withdrawn from 2009 till 2010 October. Sir, September. Sir, after 31st, I would like to know, what if again we have stone pelting? What if again buses are burned? What if again Rasta Roko is happening? What again if violence happens? Again after 1 year or 2 years, is the government going to withdraw those cases also? This is a question which is prevailing upon the peace-loving people of the state. Why is the government not strong enough to give a strong message? Okay, enough is enough. We have to be law-abiding citizens. We have to abide by the law of this land, of the state, and peace should prevail. If we want to have an agitation, we should have an agitation on the lines on which Mahatma Gandhi had got the freedom for this country. That is how we should, not violence. But no such message has yet been given. And at the same time, sir, I once again want to caution the government. आज साहब तेलंगाना के ऊपर, माफ करना, तेलंगाना के लोगों से कहूंगा कि अब मुकदमात आपके ऊपर अब पड़े। हिंदुस्तान की आजादी से लेकर आज तक हमारे ऊपर सैकड़ों मुकदमात लगे और अभी भी लगते हैं। राइट नाउ आई एम फेसिंग 21 केसेस अगेंस्ट मी, सर। तो आप जितने खुश हो रहे हैं कि आज केसेस हुकूमत वापस ली है, विड्रॉल ऑफ केसेस, आई डोंट थिंक दिस वुड बेनिफिट one student of Telangana also. Simple cases. One student has 100 cases, sir. In that, serious offences are more, simple offences are very less. Simple offences have been getting withdrawn, but that boy will be released. Right now, 9 students of Telangana agitation are in jail in Charlapalli. Will any one of them would be released? Anyone would be released. If not, then all the champions of Telangana are answerable to the people of Telangana, because they are also doing injustice to them. ये लोग भी धोखा दे रहे हैं उनको, सिर्फ ऐवान में ठहर के उनके बारे में बातें करते हैं, लेकिन हकीकत में वो उनके हमदर्द भी नहीं है. At the same time, I want to take this opportunity and appeal to all the students of all the regions of the state. Please, for God's sake, heaven's sake, do not get used. Do not get used in the name of region. Do not get used by the people who are just using the students, and do not spoil your life. I request all the students after 31st not to resort to violence. Let the peace be there, and let us all come together and bring the good name for all the regions of the state, sir. And lastly, sir, Honorable Chief Minister has not mentioned about the atrocities committed on the Muslims in the communal rights, the withdrawal of the cases, the history sheet and the rowdy sheet of Muslims. मुसलमानों के साथ भी इंसाफ कीजिए. मुसलमानों के साथ अगर इंसाफ नहीं करेंगे तो हमारे साथ क्या होगा साहब? पुराने शहर में कम्युनल राइट्स में जितने मुकदमात लिए उनको भी विड्रॉ करिए आप. और मक्का मस्जिद ब्लास्ट के बाद भी जो भी केसेस बुक करे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में, उसको रिव्यू करिए. उसके बारे में भी एक लफ्ज नहीं बोला गया. मैं आपको यही बोलना चाहता हूं साहब कि मुसलमानों के ऊपर भी जो केसेस हैं उनको भी विड्रॉ करना चाहिए. रॉडी शीट, हिस्ट्री शीट को क्लोज करना चाहिए साहब. अगर रॉडी शीट, हिस्ट्री शीट को क्लोज नहीं करेंगे तो फिर साहब हमारे साथ नाइंसाफी होगी. वी वांट पीस इन दिस सिटी, इन दिस स्टेट. आई होप द गवर्नमेंट विल गिव अ स्ट्रांग मैसेज for the sake of the peace-loving people, sir.